Okay, this problem is asking me to find a volume, and in this case it's the volume of a right circular cylinder. So here's a picture of it down below. It's a cylinder that's standing straight up and down, it's not leaning. It says it has a radius of 15 and a height of 24. Let's just go ahead and mark that on the cylinder. So the radius is 15 yards and the height is 24 yards. And so I've got the formula down here. Let's see, volume, whoops, my highlighter. The formula for the volume of a cylinder is pi times the radius squared times the height. And I like to go off to the side and just repeat that formula. So volume is equal to pi times the radius squared times the height. And then immediately below that, let's just do the substitutions. It did ask us to use 3.14 as an approximation for pi, which is very common. The radius is 15, so we have to put down 15 for r, and you got to be sure that you square that. And then times the height, which is 24. So to get the answer for this, I simply take 3.14 times 15 squared times 24. So let's try that on the calculator over here. 3.14 times 15 squared. Now if you don't have a squared key, you can just take times 15 times 15. If you do, you can hit the square button, which is right there. And then whoops, I gotta clear that out. I hit it twice. Let's try it again. 3.14 times 15, and then I'll hit the square key. And then times 24, and then hit enter. And I get 16,000, let's put a comma in there, 956. And since this is in yards, we're taking yards times yards for the radius times yards again for the height. So our label is yards cubed. So the volume of this particular cylinder is 16,956 cubic yards.